What is 5G? 5G is a network for the next generation of mobile internet connection, connecting the phone as quickly as possible to a scale suitable for smartphones and other devices. Support 5G network for the internet, or depending on the growth of necessary technological infrastructure, given a huge amount of information, allowing more intelligent and more relevant in the world. In a changing, innovative, and evolving world, seaports have not been able to keep up with the ever-changing change in this global mechanism. However, with the help of 5G, the concept of intelligent port requires the use of technology to turn the various public services of the port into an interactive systems are applicable. What is the role of 5G in this case? The concept is thus illustrated around two innovative ideas: efficiency and resource use. The inclusion of technical measure has a direct impact on the different services and products of port terminals as they improve the operations and management of each port facilities.
So, 5G uses what are called millimeter wave. This requires a new wave of bandwidth that is allocated on the frequency spectrum between 30 and 300 GHz. This increases the bandwidth available to cram more data and accommodate more users. However, this will require shorter wavelengths than previous networks, which means they cannot travel longer distance. Besides, these signals cannot penetrate walls easily. Therefore, small cell towers are installed to handle the signaling. For your information, the distance between each tower has to be within 60 meters and 300 meters because of the short wavelength radio signals. Well, like 4G, 5G also makes use of packet switching over an IP network for data delivery. The high-speed 5G network reduces the delay caused by the retransmission of segments during TCP transmission. Other than that, past systems that supported full duplex communication had to separate frequency channel to allow two users to communicate at the same time without having to take turns transmitting and receiving. With 5G network, it is possible that using just one frequency channel through a circuit design which will utilize high-speed switching. Now let's see how 5G network can be implemented into a smart port.
As thousands of ships is coming into a smart port every day, it is important for the smart port to have a system to make sure that every ship arrives at the port on the right time. Therefore, traffic planning is very important to facilitate the efficiency of the smart port. Smart port operators can create a dashboard application to get real-time data instantly. For example, they can create a centralized dashboard application that can collect real-time water, weather, and communications data, which will be used to reduce wait times, determine optimal time for ships to dock, load and unload, and enable more ships to enter the port. With the help of 5G technology, data can be transmitted at a faster rate. Port operators can remotely amend the procedure of ships entering the port immediately when there is an execution error occurred. The faster the problem can be solved, the smoother the smart port can operate. System forecasting should also be included in smart port, as smart port operators need a way to track the wear and tear and monitor unloaded cargo. Smart sensors can be deployed at ports to help monitor the condition of vital infrastructure, helping operators to schedule predictive maintenance and reduce reduce the need for annual inspections. Monitoring system can also help enhance cargo handling at ports. Port operators can create a network to collect information such as the location or energy consumption of cranes, trucks, and forklifts. The system can help reduce those machine idle time by assigning them to handle cargo.
Logistics system is always an important link in the port operation system. This is because it manages the unloaded cargo where and when to send, as well as manage the cargo stack according to the time of delivery. Before implementing the internet and computing technology into the port system, the workers using papers to record the time of delivering the cargo and stack them according to the order of unloading. Thus, there is a crucial problem when it is the time for delivering a cargo, but it is under the stacks. With the help of modern computing technology system, logistics system can manage and stack the cargo flexibly. Moreover, people are now trying to implementing 5G technology into the port system and let it become a smart port system. In order to achieve the concept of the smart port, the productivity and the efficiency of the operation is the most important element to the port system. Firstly, the difference in transmission rate between 4G and 5G is the 70 MB per second for 4G and the 20 GB per second for 5G. The high capacity of 5G technology can improve the data transmission between the cargo ships and the data central of the port. The data central can receive information about cargo instantly and come out with a better cargo storing plan. Apart from that, the high capacity of 5G technology can improve the flow control system. For example, a cargo ship can load 80,000 cargoes at one time, but the 4G mechanism only allows the information of 40,000 cargoes to be transmitted to the data central. Therefore, data central need a few time to receive all the information about all the cargo. However, with the help of 5G technology, it allows the information of all the cargo on one ship to be transmitted to the data central at one time, due to its high capacity and better flow control.
With the help of 5G, data can be transmitted faster to smoothen traffic control around the port. Therefore, only one control center will be needed to maintain traffic control in the port, as 5G is capable of handling high amounts of traffic without any congestion. Construction of mini base stations around the control center allows 5G connection to be stronger and consistent throughout the port, thus reducing delay in traffic control as signals are relayed without disruption. 5G network is also capable of MIMO, massive input, massive output. Thus, can be implemented to smart ports for ship control, where the control tower can communicate with ship captains to inform them where to dock at the port upon arrival, for faster efficiency and for crane control when unloading cargoes from ships. Furthermore, Control Center can also record legitimate documents of arriving cargo ships and license plates of lorries that carry the cargo to its destination into the port's database. Lorry drivers can also connect to the port's 5G network and use an app to receive directions from the Control Center on where to proceed upon arrival at the port, and also if the cargo is ready for pickup. All this traffic control that is happening simultaneously in the port can be faster and more efficient only with the help of 5G network installed.
5G is an application designed to work with a diverse and complex. It is one of the major challenges to address, since 5G is a platform for many wireless technology to coexist. Technology providers to overcome challenges in terms of the number of single site foot, transmission protocols, network security, convenience, IoT, and number of connections. Data volumes, increasing capacity without increasing cost, end-to-end automotive, and etc. Due to a huge demand for smarter network, 5G standard is evolving faster than expected timeline, but the entire 2020 5G will only be available to analysts. The introduction of new technology in ports around the world is not far from the futuristic concept, thanks to many initiative projects and programs that already exist for technical measures in the maritime domain. In fact, some experts believe that These pods are the only ones that can survive near distant future, because they are the only ones that can meet ecological needs and high productivity requirements while maintaining certain ongoing costs. This is a future that is already here, and we must leap forward to move forward with time. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.